We are live, ladies and gentlemen. KASPA. We're back with an update, real update, to the point, and not moonish update that will keep you level-headed. Jomo, what are your thoughts on the KASPA price? What do you see, man? Do you see something here?
PM, nice to see you. I wonder how many people love to hear your voice kind of yelling cast with that weird tone you're making. Probably
They
some people
love it.
dig it.
They love it,
They
man.
love it. They love it, man. They love it. Look, I want to share two things. First, I'm gonna start with something I shared on Twitter yesterday. Okay, so just one second. I shared this on my Twitter, and people need to understand that the things that we do, they are not, magic. We have a skill set that we built and cultivated over years and years. If you're not a Twitter follower, please follow my Twitter. No edge, no trade on Twitter, on X, whatever you want to call it. Okay. So this is what I did. Okay. I showed this chart, okay, and I said that Bitcoin is at a crossroad, okay, and I told them that the two most probable scenarios are downtrend to continue with the highest, and probability, and then a sideways grind. So, and the thing is that it was right on being rejected from the trend line and as well from the bear flag together. Okay, so this is something people need to understand. We know how to read the market in a very high quality way that allows probability and scenario planning. Okay, so that's one thing and very important because we are planning for what's happening today. Now, lo and behold, what's happening today, and you can see it on KASPA and on many other coins, but on KASPA it's already 8%, so it's a bit deeper, is that we couldn't muster, and I've been saying this for weeks, okay? As long as we are within this downtrend channel, okay, nothing has changed for KASPA in my view. You can watch all our updates on KASPA. I said that this channel, all right, as long as we're within this channel, okay, we're still in a downtrend propelled market, downtrend momentum, and nothing has changed. I thought maybe we can muster some strength to go above the 85 over here, the 8.5 cents, but we couldn't even do that. And lo and behold, we couldn't do from this horizontal a breakout. We went down, of course, with Bitcoin being the predominant force. Now, ACM, we got a lot of hate in the past telling that probably Caspa and any other coin will do shit without Bitcoin because if Bitcoin has stopped, we will need you to a long time until something can happen in these altcoins. And hey, this is exactly what's happening. So we got the hate. Now we're continuing to sharing our own views. This is my views, all right? And as long as we're within this channel, nothing has changed. And I will be even a bit more strict, CM. Look, we actually couldn't muster the strength to go outside of the shorter channel from here, right? Which is even tighter. This is a tighter channel. We couldn't even do that for now, at least, right? So, what does this tell me? It tells me that Caspa is weak for now and the downward momentum is still predominant in the markets. And that's why I would prefer to be in cash on Caspa or shorting it or hedge if you want to continue holding your coins. That's my point. Didn't change in the past few weeks, and it won't change until any of the characteristics I've talked about has changed. Nothing is changing. What do you think, CM?
Oh man. Yeah, I think exactly the same. I'm going to share my chart as well. By the way, guys, make sure to like the video, give us a like, give us some love, give us some licky love, guys. Like the video, subscribe, share it on Twitter. By the way, we all know we love Caspa here. We are Caspa Maxis. We're just waiting for it to base out. Okay, we're just waiting for it to base out before we start buying Caspa for a hodl or for an investment to DCA into Caspa, whatever. So let me show you my chart. Okay, and again, nothing changed. Just like Jomo said, it's still in the downtrend. This is your downtrend here. As long as it's in the downtrend, it's a big no-no. You don't want to buy it, okay? And unless, if you're a DCA guy and you start to DCA around here, under the 8 cent, that's all right, man. That's all right. Keep holding, all good if it's your strategy. Me, that's not my strategy. I like to be in the money. when I'm buying some stuff, not in the red. So for me, I'm not buying, I'm waiting for it to create some sideways range somewhere, whether it's going to be around the 5, around the 4, around the 1. Who cares? I'm waiting, man. I have time. I'm patient. Now, again, remember the death cross. Remember the death cross and remember the 200-day MA sloping down. This is the daddy. This is the daddy, man. This is my daddy, okay? Most people don't even use this stuff because they don't know how to read markets. But this is the first thing that you need to use when you want to buy something. You don't buy nothing below a 200-day MA. If you look at this at the slope of it, okay, if let's say it stays the same slope till the end of the year, for example, okay, let's say it's staying the same slope till the end of the year, and the price is staying below it, okay, and let's say it's trying to break out in the end of the year and basing out here, that's where I'm buying, man. On the breakout of the 200-day MA and obviously of the 50 and all the moving averages after it basing out, and then I'm buying. Okay, for me, I don't care if it's gonna be 1 cent, 5 cents, fifth of a cent, or a fifth of a cent. I'm buying once it break out at 200, and we're gonna tell you that we buy. We're gonna tell you wanna be bullish when you wanna be bullish. So make sure to subscribe, like, share, give us some love, licky love, and yeah, this is, you can see,
Yeah,
yeah,
it's not by chance that we are on top of, the market so much. When it moves down, we're shorting it, making money shorting. When it has a relief rally, we take
Jomo, show
control
us your
trade.
biceps. Jomo, show us your biceps. You're so strong. Show us your biceps.
You want me to flex in front of the internet pool of people?
flex, flex on the bicep, man.
Every now and then I will flex it. I will hint towards the flex. By the way, I had a CrossFit training today. I made something bad in my neck, and now my neck isn't with a huge mobility. So always be careful with your training, ladies and gentlemen, because you don't want to get wounded, injured, because then you can't train for a while. So better not train as hard, not to get wounded, but never mind. This is the trading and not a sports live. But if you do CrossFit, give me a like and thumbs up right now. Tell me that you do CrossFit or any other sport. We would love to understand what you do, because hey, trading for me and CM is a vehicle for a happy life. Okay, we're obsessed with trading because we love it. We're passionate about it, but not because of mere trading as a skill set individually. Of course, that's one thing, but because it gives us such a beautiful lifestyle. We work from home. I have a home office. CM has a home office. All right, we work from wherever we want to be working. We are there's a saying. When I was young, I read a book, and it was a saying about be the master of your destiny or something like that, the captain of your soul, or whatever. I don't remember the quote exactly, right? But I really wanted to become that person where I'm in charge of my time, and trading is what allows me to do that. Anyway, sports is part of my
bro,
life.
bro,
Yeah,
I just want to tell you, man, the trading lifestyle is so amazing. I'll tell you an example. I have
yeah.
tons of example and experiences in my life in the last couple of years that I'm a full-time trader, crypto trader. Many times, man, you're going out on a date, you're going out on a Tinder date, whatever. Then you meet her, you la la la. Hey, let's go. Vamos, tomar algo. Let's go drink something, baby. Cheeky, cheeky, fucking leaky, leaky. Then you grab her home, you do your thing, and then your alert starts ringing, man. So you are in the middle of the cheeky cheeky, and then you tell the lady, "Hey, we got a breakout. Sorry, one moment." Then you go to your laptop, man, in a dark room, man. You enter a short or a long, whatever triggered, boom, and then all sorted, baby. And then you're back,
There you have it. There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. You
man.
can make money while having the licky licky, as CM
Man,
calls it.
the best, the best, the pinnacle of life, Jomo. The pinnacle of life of a trader is
Yeah.
to be taking a trade on the back of the ladies, just above the bum. Put the laptop above her bum. Take the
Mm.
trade, boom, smoke the breakout, and then continue doing what you're doing.
There you go. There you go. You can see CM and me. We're in different levels right now. I'm already a married man, man. I don't do that shit. But hey, if you are, you can do it, and you can indeed follow CM. Give him a like for all that beautiful stories, beautiful lifestyle. That's what we're all about. Anyways, let's dive for some questions, CM. What do you think? I know that, by the way, Peter, our VIP member, is saying that he's short cash, following the trend. Way to go, Peter. Good work. I'm proud of you. Nick is asking a question. I think that's the first time I always see Nick saying hi. I don't remember questions, but that's good, Nick. Can you see Kwai? What's Kwai? That's the coin? Kwai. All
Yeah,
right. I
man,
can
guys,
see it on Mexi. Give it. Come on, Nick. I would expect. Maybe he's asking me for a potential short. Maybe
holy
this is a
shit.
potential. I mean, I think someone asked about this coin. I remember the chart. I have a good memory for charts. I've seen it before. Look, I have no idea what this is. QUAI, probably an AI thing. Looks bad, very bad, in my opinion, right now. Let's look at the volume. It's diminishing. The volume is roughly $500,000 a day. So it's a very minuscule amount of trading for me. I can't trade it without slippage. If this was a short, you could have, yeah, I think this is a good short, if that's what you're asking. If you took the short, at the breakdown below, the 1 cent, that's a beautiful short. If you're looking at the long, I'm not seeing anything that is, interesting to me. On the long side, we look for momentum continuation, he's asking, he's mining Kwai with GPUs. Nick, I have no idea about that. I'm a trader. I'm not a miner. But if you found something that you feel is good for your and for your time, your leisure, Nick, you can do whatever you want to do. We are traders, and we will try to focus on being a trader of crypto here right now. All
By the way,
right, Mr.
guys,
Marek.
drop all your questions now. We're gonna keep it short and tidy. Drop all your questions. Please give us a like. We're gonna go over all your questions. I'm gonna show you S chart. By the way, S is very nice coin. It actually, it's very nice coin. I'll show you the chart.
By the way, S is a rebrand of Phantom, if anyone didn't know that. So FTM is a coin that used to be a very big thing, and they rebranded into S. Okay, so it's the same coin as FTM.
Yeah, man. Well, look, actually, we took the trade in the community here. There was a breakout. It hit our first target, and now it's coming back down below the breakout point. So that, for me, is a big no-no. I already alerted all my VIP and all my members to move stops to break even. That was our entry, and we're pretty much out of the trade at the moment from S. And we actually have 3 short trades ready to be triggered that I already shared and recommended to our members. This is, for me, it could be a fake out, and I'm gonna show you also a Bitcoin, because some guy asked about the Bitcoin, a Bitcoin prediction for 3 months. But just to summarize, S at the moment, for me, I got stopped out of the trade, so for me, I'm out of it. I was happy here, hit first target, now it came back down. Start crying. I closed my position. Nothing happened. Break even and a little gain. And yeah, that's for me for S. I'll show you also Bitcoin. 1 second. Ooh.
Yeah.
This guy is learning a lot. Yeah, man. Thank you. Please give us a like, subscribe, follow us on Twitter, man. We share also very nice stuff on Twitter. Me and Jomo, very philosophical, and also some funny stuff on Twitter. Check it out. I'll show you let's talk about this Bitcoin 3-month projection, man. Let's look on Bitcoin. Okay, Bitcoin. Look, regarding Bitcoin, it's in a problematic point at the moment, because just like Jomo said, it couldn't break above of this channel. As long as it's in the channel, it's bearish, and it's now lost its 200-day MA. I'm a big fan of the 200-day MA. That's the green line here. The daddy. This is the daddy, man. When Bitcoin is dropping below the 200-day MA, I'm looking for shorts. That's what I'm doing. Whenever Bitcoin is below its 200-day MA, or breaking below its 200-day, or breaking below its 100-day, for example, this one here. Here, we were looking for shorts, and we shorted the F out of this market. We printed money on Ethereum, KASPA, you name it, man. We shorted the F out of it. Then here we shorted it more. And now, look what happened. You had a little moment of hopium in the market. I was hopium as well, man. I was bullish. I flexed bullish here. I wanted, oh, we bottoming out. Yay. Maybe. But at the
You
moment,
almost convinced me a little bit. You almost convinced me over there.
yeah, man, I completely killed the CM the bear. I killed CM the bear. Now CM the bear is back in life.
But that's okay because you actually made money on the relief rally, all right? So the thing about changing minds as a trader, it's actually a strength. I iterated this in the past how updating your views based on new information is a good idea. Don't be attached to your ideas because that means that you're attached to your ego. Okay, if you're attached to your ego, you won't be a superb trader, right? CM has zero attachment to the ego, so he can change between his ideas, make money on every new idea that he has because he's flowing with what the market wants him to do and not what he wants the market to do, right? He's not wishing something would happen. He's following suit with the market. So it's a strength. I say strong opinions, weakly held.
Yes, sir. Now, just to tell the guy about the 3 months projection. Now, really, I don't care about 3 months. All I care is about the next move here. Okay, you can see, or it's going to break out of this downward trend and stay above it and hold it. I'm gonna clean it so you will see. Okay, you see right here. Watch this area. Okay, if it can clear this level, the 50-day MA, you can see this is the 50-day MA. It can clear here and stay above the 50-day MA, pretty much 90K. We want to see Bitcoin back above 90K and not coming back down below it. Okay, you want to see it price here holding. If it cannot do that and it cannot break that trend line, it's going to fuck everything. Okay, if it lose this level, man, mark my words, if it lose this level, stay below this level, closing daily candles and weekly candles below this 75 76K, man, it's a bear market. It's a bear market. And hold and behold, my friends, if Bitcoin will not come back up, you're gonna have a death cross. I'll tell you where the projection of the death cross around in beginning of April. We should have a death cross if Bitcoin stay below this level. So, guys, really, if you don't know how to short crypto this year, do yourself a favor, learn how to short crypto. It's very easy. You just buy a short position, okay, or just open a short position whenever we tell you, and you make money.
Yeah,
That's it. It's very simple.
yeah,
We teach how to short, we teach how to manage risk, how to use stops, how to take profits, everything you need. Because if you're not having a plan, a strategy, how to trade, market is going to fuck you so hard, man. I'm telling you, it's already been fucking everybody, and we're just starting, man. Oh, Jomo, imagine a recession. Imagine a recession, man. It's not even the recession is not even started yet. Imagine what will happen to Bitcoin in a recession. Imagine what will happen to altcoins in the recession. Man, short, I believe short selling is the best strategy for 2025 and 2026 in crypto.
yeah. I mean, look, Tim, this actually comes with a question we have from Erica at the top. She's asking about the class next Sunday. It's actually on the 6th of April. Yeah, we have a class about, conquering the bear. You should go purchase. We have like last spot. We're not talking about it as much because we already sold most of it and people already coming. So if you want, go to our website. Tim, you can show the banner. Go make sure that you reserve one of the last spots that we have over there for that. And you are good to go. Here you go, not monthly market, CM, the bear, right? She's
Oh,
asking about the bear one. And you can put the banner as well. You don't need to change, the Apple one. You can put the bear one. It's the same one. CM, the technophobe. Yeah, thank you very much. How to win in the bear market? Go scan the QR code, go to a website, and make sure you reserve your spot. Because as we said, we're going to teach how to short, how to hedge, and how to risk manage properly in order to win in a bear market, Erica. So that's for you. And by the way, CM, I want to ask you about, I will not ask you, I want to tell my views about, a question we have here about KASPA, right? Someone has asked about KASPA over here. What was it? Right? It was about the Mexico situation here, trade. Trey K is asking thoughts of the Mexico situation. He's referring to what's happening in KASPA. And I will tell you one thing. CM, I don't know if you're aware of this, but all Caspians right now, the community is raging on Mexi because supposedly Mexi is creating manipulation in the price. Okay. And they are blaming this downtrend on Mexi, right? That's they have some issues. They had some withdrawal issues with Casper for a while. They needed to maintain the wallet. Look, Trey, I believe that all these talks about manipulation and issues that an exchange is doing on purpose, to be honest, I think it's a blaming game. I think people are trying to find something to blame why Casper price is going down. Okay, and as CM said, we love the project. We root for Casper. We made money Casper on longs, on shorts, everything. Right? We know it's a beautiful coin, but the thing is, you need to stop blaming, okay, outside sources for not taking, matters into your own hand, because it doesn't matter who is taking the price down. Doesn't matter if it's Mexi, Binance, Coinbase. It doesn't matter, right? What matters is the price is going down, and you can either sell, being cash, short it, all right, make money, hedge it, okay, or just keep holding it and just continue losing until you will wait the market to save you at one point or another. We don't know when that will happen. So my thought is that Mexico situation is, for me, noise, okay, pure noise. Doesn't matter in my views at all. CM, do you have anything to add to that?
Why they didn't say Mexi manipulated the price up when it was breaking out in November, right? Or in March 2022 or 2023. When was it? When it was launched on Mexi, price exploded. So why they didn't say, hey, Mexi is manipulating the KASPA price to the upside? They always come with the manipulation argument when the coin is going down. That's, to me, pathetic. That means these people have no plan. They have no idea what the fuck they're doing. They relying on hope from Crypto Galaxy or from another moron from, that wearing Caspa skirts. These people, they are going to get wrecked over and over and over again till they're going to have a plan, a strategy, a way to trade the market, to navigate the market. Because if you don't know how to navigate the market will navigate you into a dark night in the forest with a bunch of bears coming, and you're naked, and the bears will come. The bears will come, my friends. So be careful.
Exactly.
Trust me, I've been there in this dark night, actually dark year in 2018, lost all my money. The bears completely fucked me. Now, it's not going to happen again.
Exactly. And Erica is asking, which option is it? It's the option that is called mastering, how to win in the bear market. This is the option you should choose. Okay. The link itself, you should just, scan the QR code that we have shown. All right. Or right now in the upper left side, you can scan this QR code and it will take you to, this specific page. Or CM, if you can write in the chat now, I will give it to you on a private message. This is the specific link that people can go for, the last part of, how to win in the bear market. And yeah, go do that for sure. And you're going to have a new skill set for you, Erica. And of course, this is very cheap, guys. You don't even need to think about it too much. 129, and go for it, dig it. CM is already put, on the comment section, so you can go check it out. And if you want to check out our memberships as well to really learn how we do everything, not just the short side, and you want us to take you hand by hand in our own trading, how we trade, coaching sessions, calls, private sessions, and so on, you can go check our memberships as well.
By the way, you have also 20% on everything in our website. And if you attend to the seminar, to the bear seminar, okay, even if you bought it and you couldn't attend on the day, you're gonna have access to this seminar forever, man. You're gonna have unlimited access to this particular product that you purchase, because it's gonna be recorded and on our store, pretty much on our WAP forever, man. So even if you didn't attend, or maybe attend half of it, or third of it, you can still rewatch it over and over and over again on your free time. Okay, so you do it, you buy it, and you will have access to it for life. Get me?
Exactly. Exactly. So do us a favor, do that. And yeah, we have the last thing because I need to bounce, Friday over here. And he's asking hodlers, right? Can only wait for the God, so they need something to believe in. Yeah, unfortunately, that is true. Unfortunately, in the bad times where people are looking for answers to kind of rest their concerns, they will look for anything. And this is regarded to the maxi manipulation thing. Yeah, for me, it's just noise. Learn how to take matters into your own hands. And yeah, yeah, anything to finish it.
Guys, if you have any more questions, drop it. If not, we're just gonna wrap it up. Yeah,
For
man.
sure.
Yeah, man. Well, enjoy your Friday, Jomo.
Yeah,
Guys,
yeah. I
go
For
ahead.
sure. We're gonna give it 30 seconds to see if we have a question because every time we finish something, we already have the last question. So yeah, it's a Friday. Market is okay for us. We are happily, in cash or in some short. Um, I haven't had a long that is still working for me in break even the stop loss if it goes back. So everything is peachy. And by the way, for what you said in the beginning, people need to understand the way we trade, right? This is not like trading on dexes or whatever, right? We trade so professionally that whenever a position is triggered for us, we already have a stop loss created automatically as well and take profits. So you can actually take positions with us, do your work, because most of you have a job that isn't trading, right? Come back home at the evening and see what your positions have done, right? You don't need to be all day in front of the screen. That's the beauty of the way we trade, right? That's why we, right, build a beautiful lifestyle with trading, right, as a vehicle, as a means towards, building that lifestyle. It's not our life as a vehicle towards being the best trader. No, it's being the best trader as a vehicle to make a beautiful lifestyle for us and for our families and for CM and his chicas, as he likes to say. CM, thank you very much for this week. Thank you very much, everyone, for watching us. Check out our membership, check our seminar. Make sure you learn a new skill set. We are here to teach you. We'll see you in the next live. Give us a like, thumbs up, comment in the section. Send us to the ether. Until next time, CM. No edge.
No trade.
Cheers, everybody.